Hey guys, so you can see that I'm at the mall, and I think I just saw some Chinese people walk at this direction. Let's see if I can find them. All right, so those. After walking around for a little bit, I finally found the dude. And what I'm about to show you guys is how to beat a chicken, okay? So the guy was right there, and I honestly don't know what was going through my mind. Maybe I was just too scared, but I just couldn't do it. I couldn't approach him and say ni hao, okay? So I even tried for the second time. That's the guy wearing the bag with the mask on. So I just decided that maybe I should try to catch some air, walk around, and maybe I'll find someone else, or maybe he's still at the same spot. Who knows? So after walking around for a little bit, I found out that the guy was still on the same spot, but the thing was that he was on his phone. So at this point, I was just questioning my life, what I'm doing with it, and my purpose on this earth. I obviously could not approach him while he's still on his phone, so I just decided to grab some ice cream, and if I'm lucky, I might get to see him again. And to my surprise, literally for a third time, I see him walking right towards me, and this was an opportunity that I just could not miss. 我有一个问题，你是一个中国人？
Yes.
我可以和你一起练习说中文吗？
是中文。
你知道这是一个衣服的商店在哪里？嗯，对，对。谢谢。你叫什么名字？
Andy。
Andy， Andy， 我叫穆赫德。Corona。
有不容易点。
没有，我是这里的人。
Oh, you're in local. But your
My father's father's 4 generations.
4 generations from,
Yeah.
from India.
Yeah, from
Okay.
India. So long time ago.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you? Nina?
I come here long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
So
why are you learn this Chinese?
Chinese 我想学习中文，因为有一天我想一个中文的女朋友。
中国的女朋友。But it's okay. You have looking for. 你要找女孩子啊。
我开玩笑。
这里的女孩子很少。
Chinese has a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
Camera, yeah. Is it okay if I use it for my YouTube channel? If it's not okay, I won't use it. Okay, anyway, are you going somewhere? I saw that you were a little bit lost. You were walking around, you're waiting for someone.
I just go around.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if it's okay or not okay, can I use it or not? No?
No problem.
No problem.
Now I'm free.
Okay, share. Thank you.
I'm gonna be the Mandarin master one day. Welcome to my channel.
This is my first video this year, so there was no way that I was gonna upload my first video without a level up. Hope you guys enjoyed that part. But I thought since the year is just beginning, I should take this opportunity to properly introduce my channel to the world. And basically what I've been doing here on this channel is that I've been documenting my whole journey of learning Mandarin Chinese. Okay, so far I'm 1 year in, and I really got serious about documenting last year when I was about 3 months into it, But I'm still quite fresh, and I still have a lot more room to grow. And this year I've decided that I'm even gonna be more consistent, gonna share more updates, and basically share more of my experience, so we can build a proper community and get some consensus on what's working and what's not working. So my first year of learning Mandarin Chinese, in my mind, I've always looked at it as just, dipping my toe into the water. I was really just testing that if I really want to do this, or am I really not gonna stick with it. So this year I feel like I have enough validation that I am really interested in this, and I would definitely would love to continue with this, which is why this year I'm even going much more stronger. So with that being said, basically these are my general ideas for this year. Okay, I've decided that I'm gonna get a tutor finally, and I've already actually booked one for 6 classes. And you all know her because she has already been on my channel. It's Samitri. If you haven't checked out that interview, you can check out her Instagram page. She's amazing, and I'm really looking forward to what I can learn from her. And secondly, I'll be doing a lot more level ups. Okay, because I've realized that every time when you put yourself out there and you try to engage in a conversation with a native speaker, what it does is that psychologically it really gives you a lot of confidence. Of course, you do learn if you make a mistake, or if you make an error here and there, and then you go and review it again, like what the heck did you just say, and what was that they said to you, and analyze the whole thing. There's a lot of opportunity to learn there, but also I think it gives you a lot more confidence, which is even more important in my opinion. The year looks amazing, and of course I'll be posting a lot about other apps or platforms or other methods about learning Mandarin Chinese and all of that. It's all gonna be everything that's part of the experience. It's gonna be on this channel. So if you made it till here, thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this idea and you would like to take part in this journey with me, make sure to subscribe on this channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends whom you think would find this interesting. This is it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.